Hey everyone, check out the dual-directional rotation electric engraving pen designed for artists and DIY enthusiasts. This cordless tool makes engraving easy and precise on over 60 different surfaces, perfect for customizing your projects. It comes with 30 versatile bits that let you tackle a variety of materials and styles. The pen is beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to engraving, you'll get professional results quickly. Plus, it includes a mastery guide to help you learn techniques and unlock your creativity. Whether you're personalizing gifts or crafting unique art, this engraving pen is your ultimate companion. Get ready to bring your ideas to life with effortless precision and control. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.